playing Animal Company, freaking goofing around and stuff, and oh my god.
Damn.
Alright, let's go. Ready? When I launch this, you run all the way over there. Go! Where you going? I said that way! There you go. Alright, you did it. Now come back.
Yeah. My wrists are skinny.
Womp womp.
Come here.
Oh no, what are you gonna do? Bro went. This one empty, yeah. I better go get the other shotgun. Hi. Alright, well that was funny. I watched this on YouTube. Come here. Or TikTok. Alright, so if you click the green button, you get shot. So we take turns. So the other one. Alrighty. Alright, push a button. Shoot me. Alright.
Sorry.
Grr.
Here.
Alright, push.
Let's see. Right here.
Ain't no way. Please, no. Oh, heck no, he hacking. Oh. There you go. Have fun.
Have fun?
Alrighty. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Whoosh! Alright. Let's go mess with the anglerfish. Don't listen to him. But you should like and subscribe. Stupid angler. Where is it? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Where are you? Flash him! Flash him again. We'll mess with the chicken next.
Where's your shotgun,
We don't need a shotgun. Let's go.
I thought we were gonna kill it.
Yeah, we are. Yeah! Eat firework!
That's not working.
Hi, buddy. Hi. We'll be back. You hear? We'll be back.
We'll kill you.
Wait, make sure I'm serious. Hey. Dang, I really threw that far.
Okay, let's go.
Now let's go kill the chicken.
Yep.
Alright, you distract him.
No, I thought you were gonna kill him.
Hi, buddy! Alright, you steal the egg.
Wait, does he respawn?
Yeah. Alright, listen up. You see this little man right here? We're gonna play a little game. Don't play it down. are you doing? Man, you mother. Oh. Stop talking like that. You know, reload the shotgun. I'm gonna get you first. Yeah. Oh, let's see what's in this bag. Nothing. Alright, so this is how this game works. I put random items in the bag, and you're supposed to randomly find. If you get a grenade, you die.
So I have to go all the way over there?
No. Just don't look.
Run.
Alright, choose one and open it. No, you gotta do it. You gotta do that. Well, the rest of these are safe. I know that now. I choose this one. Yo, let's go. That's 2 out of 3. Alright, now, your turn, dragonfire.
Okay, dragonfire.
My name's Killer. Come here. Choose one. See what you get.
Little.
Open it. You got flashlight.
Blind.
Ah, my turn. My turn.
What's in this one then?
You got an iPad. Enough. Alright, you go first. If you get the shotgun, you just shoot me. Not safe. Yeah. Alright, now it comes down to these. Let's see. Ain't no way. Hey, come here. I gotta kill you. Where you at? You cannot escape me. Yeah. I think that the rest of these are dangerous. Yeah. Alright, tell him to stop.
Stop.
My gosh, freaking jeez.
How do you set them?
Uh-oh. Oh yeah, there you are.
Thank you.
Yep. No glitching! You missed yours.
I forgot to set it off.
Airstrike! No.
Don't.
Hey. If you want the shotgun, come get it. Works every time. Alright, time to fly. Oh, you try to airstrike me! Oh yeah, I have precision airstrikes now. BAM! I missed. Whee! No. Alright, let's go. Hey, stupid. You're dead. Hey, you're dead. Out of ammo. You're dead. Out of ammo. Come on. Ah! Alright.
That's enough.
Woo! That's all the fireworks I have. How much money I spent? Almost $1 million.
Let me give you a hand.
The heck? Yeah, let me get you a hand.
Ow.
No, you can't shoot a crossbow.
Yes, you can. A crossbow.
There you go, a bunch of light. I exploded it. You know what that means? Bye. Oh, I missed. Hey, dragonfire, come here. Ooh, actually, I had just came up with a new game. Alright, turn around. My eyes. Alright, so, not turn around. So, 2 of these are going to be... Wait, 3. And one's going to be full. Alright.
Oh, over here?
And you're going to play a little game. Alright, stand on the other side. Alright, we are going to play a little game called Russian Roulette. I grab one. Oh no!
I picked this one. I'm scared. Oldest goes first.
Alright, let's go. Done yet. I'm not done yet. Alright, turn around.
This time you randomize.
I can't, I know which one is the gun. Alright, come here.
Okay.
Really? You choose one. Woohoo! Alright, so I don't know which one it is. Let's go! This is revenge for killing me at the beginning.
Did I ever do it?
Yeah!